Hi, my name is Artur, and today I will show you how to create a presentation using AI. So you won't have to do it yourself. It's really easy, and I will guide you through all the steps. Okay, so let's jump straight to the demo, how it looks like. Okay, uh, here I'd like to show you the first solution, what it created for me. Let's go to the presentation. Okay, I will do it full screen. Here is how it looks like. So as you can see, there are images, also this custom icons. I gave it custom styling of blue and red colors. I will show it later how you can style it yourself, but first here is the presentation number 1. That's all. And the second solution is here. Here is the second solution. I don't know if I can do it full screen. Maybe not here. Okay, so let's. I wonder what that does. Okay. Oh yeah, it's on full screen now. Okay. This is the second solution. Okay. And all of these slides have been done using AI. So everything you see wasn't done by me. Actually, it's the first solution is Z.ai, Z.ai, and the second one is Manus.em. So okay, the presentation that you saw was based on a document. Here's the document. And so what I wanted to do is create a presentation based on this document. That's some, I don't know, random document from Google search. So it has 7 pages, and basically I didn't want. Let's suppose I don't want to read all of this, but I want AI to create an outline for me, a structure of the presentation, divide it to sections, and then make slides, make presentation slides presentation, right? So there's that, and also what I can tell you now is that how it works basically. As you can see here, the first solution, here's the why is, and the second thing I can tell you, why is it so precise and why it works basically so well. Machines and AI, generally AI is good at generating high quality code. And what it does in the background, it creates an HTML. So each slide is actually HTML code. So what you can see here is not an PowerPoint. It's not a PowerPoint presentation, but it's HTML code, which then you can convert to to a presentation, right? And what else can you do here? You can download it as PDF and as PowerPoint. You can send it as a link, share it to X, some WeChat, I don't know, this WeChat thing. But yeah, what I've basically seen using this is basically the best one is exporting it as PDF, because PowerPoint presentation it doesn't work so well. The slides like move to different places. It basically is messed up in the PowerPoint. You have to manually correct it, but PDF is perfect. What you see here on the presentation, basically you get in the downloaded PDF. So how to create such a presentation? Okay, so I will show you step by step how to do it now. The first thing that we have to do is not the presentation part, but to get the best quality presentation. Basically, on the first step, we will go to the AI, basically, that is generating text. So on the first step, what I've done here is I've given it, here's the AI Studio. Basically, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini, or I don't know, Grok is also popular nowadays. But some AI solution that will process your PDF. And here you can see I've asked it to create a PowerPoint presentation structure for me based on the attached file, just a basic natural language instruction. And the language model gave me this this output basically. And after I have it, so this was the first step. Give the LLM and the file that you would like, or if you don't have a file, just ask it to create for you a structure of the presentation. It's really important, because without it, you can do the presentation without a structure, but it won't be it will be maybe not what you will want. It will be different. So that's the best solution for that, to make it on point and well structured. So after I have this prompt, I have basically created a file, prompts for just for this video. But it's also a good idea to store your prompt on locally on your computer, make a file or save it somewhere, because sometimes if you are creating a presentation here in this solution, or in this Manus solution, in Z or Manus, it basically sometimes the error can pop up, and you will all the prompt that you have created, you will have to do it again, because sometimes these websites fail the task, and some error there's some error and you will lose your prompt. So it's a good idea to store your prompt locally. But after you have your prompt, here's the first one. You can basically split it to two parts. And here is the Z.ai prompt or Manus prompt. Okay, and what I've given it here is our presentation structure here. It's basically divided this this PDF to 11 slides, right? I was using here the Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's the latest Google model, chat model, and it split the content to 11 sections, basically. That's the first thing, but also what I've given it here is the main task. And what you can see here, I'm using markdown. It's also a great idea to give the AIs markdown because they better understand the content than not the content but the whole task and different like sections of this task. But okay, you can read about markdown on the web. Okay, so we have the first task is create a presentation for attached file basing on the following instructions. This is the main task, and here are subtasks like colors, and I want the main color to be blue and secondary red. Basic instruction, right? Typography and fonts. All text must be quite large and visible. Nothing complicated here. Style. I want the presentation to be serious, not funny. It will be shown to political party leaders. I made that up. You can you maybe need some other instructions here, like about images or like background images. I don't know. It depends on your idea or your, you know, what you would like to create and what you would like to show in your presentation, right? So given that instructions, the main task and subtasks, I copy all this, and what I will do now is go to the Z.ai, go to new chat, and click here on AI slides. And as you can see here, it changed the it switched to creating slides. It's a custom tool here, and it will use web search. It will it's here toggled the web search, slides maker, and also image search. You can deselect it if you don't want images to be in your presentation, but I will keep that on. So now I will give it my prompt, and also I will give it my file. Add files like that. Okay. And if you have it all here, just hit send, and basically it will start to generate HTML for you. So here it's thinking. Okay. Okay, let's give it some time, and we'll go now to the Manus solution. We'll also create a new task, hit slides, and also give it our instructions. But here it's our instructions will be in the form of pasted content.txt. We can see it here after clicking on it, and And also, as in the Z, I will drag my PDF here and create, like upload my PDF and go send. Okay, here's the Manus. I will close the previous presentations. And as you can see on the Z, here it started creating the first slide. And as you can see here, the HTML is being generated in the real time. You can see what's happening in the background, basically. And sometimes, as I've said, this tool gets stuck. Basically, 2 minutes pass, 5 minutes pass, and nothing's like happening. Here, there's something going on, right? But if something like that happens, just hit stop and make a new chat, new presentation, and like repeat the whole process, right? Okay, we won't like wait for all this to to generate, because some time will pass during that. So what else can I tell you about this solution? This one is free. Z is also free, but you get on Manus, you get credits. On Z, I believe there are like, I don't know the limits of this solution. I haven't hit any roadblocks yet. Maybe there are. You can check it yourself. And but this solution is free. This solution is also free, but as I've said, there are some credits. As you can see, I believe this creating this this presentation took me 200 credits, around 200 credits, and what I saw is that you get daily, you get like 300 credits. So around 200 credits are used per presentation. Here there are no credits. It's 100% free for now. And yeah, try it out for yourself and write in the comment section below what are your results, if you like these solutions, which one you like better, and yeah. Okay, that's basically all that I have prepared today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for for watching, and please give a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.